Así está aquí en Bávaro, Punta Cana. En este instante.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Roogens here. So today two things are supposed to happen. Well, the first one started already. It's the tropical storm Isaias in Spanish, and the second one, today is the day when you're supposed to bring with you a PCR test that was completed within 5 days, confirming that you're not affected by the COVID-19 disease. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to drive around. I will face the camera to the road so that you can see how the the tropical storm is affecting Punta Cana. And I will see if I can drive by the Punta Cana International Airport. It's 10 past 1 right now. And as you may know it, this is pretty much at the time when everybody is checking out, and also the flights are flying in with new clients and new guests. So I will go and check and see if we have a lot of activities going on in the airport. And the first thing that I usually check is the parking lot. I always check if there are a lot of buses waiting for people or cabs, and from it I can tell if we're gonna have a busy day. So as you guys may know it already, this is just a reminder. As of today, from today, all passengers arriving in the Dominican Republic are required to present a PCR test that was completed within 5 days. I repeat, from today, July 30th, all passengers arriving in the Dominican Republic are required to present a PCR test that was completed within 5 days. And the passengers or the guests or the clients or the people traveling, the travelers who do not meet the requirements or show symptoms on arrival will be tested at the airport. I repeat, anybody that come in and don't have the test with them, or if they present any symptoms, they will be tested at the airport. And all individuals that test positive will be required to quarantine as instructed by authorities. We all knew that this was coming. Actually, the Dominican Republic, I think it was the only country in the Caribbean that didn't ask for this test. Because if you check the Bahamas, Jamaica, they all ask for the test. And taking, for example, the Bahamas, first, anybody flying into the country, they have to spend 14 days quarantined. After the 14 days, then you have to take a test. And also over there, it is not allowed like inter-island travels. So as you can see it, this is the parking lot. I'm at the terminal A. I'm at the terminal A right now, and you guys don't know it. The terminal B is closed because we're not receiving that many flights. So this is how we have at the terminal A. So we're gonna go to the departure level. We have a couple of cars here. And there are people leaving, but the arrivals is in the back, closer to the parking lot. So I didn't see a lot of people arriving, but today there's not that many people leaving either. You can see it. So one of the questions that I was asked is, do children need to bring also with them the test, I don't know, certificate, the PCR test? And to tell you the truth, the minister of the presidency didn't give all the details that I wanted to hear. It just says that everybody, all passengers, but they need to bring like the PCR test confirmation that they're COVID-19 free. So I guess these also include the children. Check this out. You see the shoulder? If you're driving in the Dominican Republic, anywhere, most of the scooters, most of the motorcycles, they will drive on the shoulder of the road. This is a safety reason. It's not legal, but I think it's the best way to do it. Because here people drive crazy. If you have a little scooter here, so the best advice that I can give you is to drive on the shoulder. You won't get into any trouble with law enforcement, because at the end of the day I prefer to get a ticket instead of getting hit by a car. Okay, just to give you an update of the coronavirus here situation in the Dominican Republic. Today, July 30th, we woke up with 67,915 cases and 1,146 deaths. So far, more than 35,000 people have recovered from the disease. It is currently 1:30 p.m. and I'm driving on the boulevard that takes you from the airport to the resorts. And the storm is not that bad so far. Some people were leaving comments in my last video that the PCR test thing was not online and it was not on the US Embassy website. I gotta tell you that I'm always ahead of time, people. So when I upload something on my YouTube channel, I usually investigate it first to make sure that you receive the good and the proper information. I don't do clickbait. Oh, one other thing, like today is payday, today is July 30th. But because of the tropical storm, I think most of the banks are closed. And one of the things that I like also, when it's raining here in Punta Cana, we don't have a lot of scooters on the road. It's not good for them because people need it's one of the main ways of transport here in the Dominican Republic. But on the other hand, this is one of the main reasons of accidents. So now I'm on my way to Bavaro Beach. Hopefully they will let me in. Look at the trees. Trees are falling on the road due to the wind. Check this out. So this is the road that takes you to the Barcelona complex, and you can witness how the trees are falling. Okay, people, this is the beach, and you can see like the waves in the back behind us. Strong waves, and you can see it by yourself. If you guys can hear me, it's because I'm using my phone and I don't have a microphone. And the beach is empty. There's nobody here. Check this out. This is the current situation in Bávaro Beach, Bibihagua Beach. And I decided to come by myself and take this little footage. It's raining. Just look at the coconut trees. And check out the waves over there. And they're already taking care of the trees that fell. That was quick. Look, it's the fireman, 911. They're already here cleaning up the street. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for driving around with me in the middle of the storm. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to leave a comment. And see you maybe tomorrow for another one.